mai koutou. Ko Xavier. I am Xavier.
And more are today, Winton School. Ko Phoebe here. I'm Phoebe.
Welcome to the N.E.W.S news for Ramere, the first day of June.
Here's today's notices.
Junior chess is in the library today at 12:45. Checkmate.
Last day for senior cross-country training. Seniors, keep up your good work.
Senior Kapa Haka is in room 8.
Reminder that it is sausage sizzle tomorrow. Make sure you get your order in the morning.
Now, if you missed any notices, you can play the news again or read all the notices in the text box below.
And that's it for today. From everyone here at the N.E.W.S news team. Ka kite apo'po.
Haere.
See you tomorrow.
Haere, and stay awesome, Winton School.